Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Pre-Market PULSESCAN. Today is Thursday, August the 10th, 2017. At the time is 9:25 a.m. It is a late 5 minutes before the opening bell. A lot going on. I've been mad, crazy, busy. All right, working hard to bring you the latest what's. And for all the Black Ops traders in the premium trading room, you got your work cut out for you today. All right, I've been rushing. I'm in the process of adding several new crypto coins for the crypto list. All right, so go ahead and submit your request for the ones you like for me to try to find and get the skinny on, get the data on. But it's on and popping, folks. All right, looking at the overnight real quick. The Dow was down almost 70 points at 21,950. We did take out the previous overnight low. Right now it's sitting at 21,940. All right, the Nasdaq is trading at 58.84.5, down 38 points. S&P down 11 points at 2462. Russell down 6 points at 1391.2. And gold hit 1291.60. Right now we're at 1290.70, up $11.40. Uh, Silver finally broke that $17 threshold. All right, we hit an intraday price inflection point. Technically, it's a nighttime price inflection point because that's when it occurred. But we hit $17.24. Right now, we're at $17.21.5. Crude oil busted $50. We're at $50.05. The bond got really powerful. 155 is where we're sitting at right now, up 9/32. Soybeans at 978, up 475. Looking at the euro is down 10 pips at 117.67. The British pound is up 4 pips at 130.23, and the Aussie is up 15 pips at 78.95. And finally, the US dollar off 2 pips at 93.51. The dollar did hit 93.80, pulled back, and this is where we are now. We did hit 93.48, so it's staying around 93.50. So it's kind of neutral right now. Not too much going on there. I guess things are going to wait and develop as this opening bell is about to hit. Hey, all I can say is you've been warned. I told you what was coming, and now it's happening. It's manifesting itself as we speak. So I'm not saying that the you know that's it. The market's topped out. It's not coming back. What it is just a short-term top. All right. People are taking some money off the table. You can fill in the blank, do an ad lib as far as the reason why people want to take money off the table. It doesn't matter. Markets have been straight up. We've really not had any real meaningful corrections along the way. So the market is overdue for a correction, and this is just what it is. Where might we go? Well, as far as this Dow is concerned, 21,816 is in play. So that gives us about 100 points from where we are now. Nothing too big to write home about, but if things get on and popping, then we're going to the trend line support here of 21,496, and that's another couple of hundred points away. So even still, that's really nothing in the grand scheme of things. Not when you have 12,000 Dow points of stimulus baked into the market already. It just is what it is. And as I'm doing this video, Bitcoin is trading at 3401.76, up 1.62%. Ethereum's up 3% at 305. And NEO is up 15.33%, trading at $25.31. Litecoin's up 0.41% at $48.10. And your beloved Ripple is down 0.47%, trading at 18 cents. So that's where it is right now. You got your bit shares up 15.56%, trading at 17.5 cents. Quantum is up 15.45%, trading at $14.35. You get the picture. All right. And there's the opening bell. So we're going to see how things get on and popping today. Right now, you got your, we just took out that overnight low in the Dow. There it is, 35. All right, selling is accelerating on the open. All right, we just hit 33, down 81. All right, so here it is. Let's see if we have any two-bar Charlies. Oh, snickety snap. Yes, we do. We got two-bar Charlies all over the board right now, guys. XIV, we got a bearish two-bar Charlie on XIV. All right, all things being equal, if this does not change, we'll have an all-day down day today in the stock market. All right, let's see here. The Dow Cash has a bearish two-bar Charlie. All day down day unless something changes. Same thing with the NASDAQ 100 Cash, S&P 500 Cash. Yes, we got two-bar Charlies flying in the cash indexes, folks. That does not bode well for the bulls on Wall Street for today. If you are bullish on Wall Street, you better put your sell stops in and run for the exits. Facebook has a bearish two-bar Charlie. Everybody, all right? Shop, negative two-bar Charlie. Bearish two-bar Charlie in play. All right, let's see what else we got. It's on and popping, folks. Now, the thing to remember, if you have not taken the two-bar Charlie course in the academy, you need to go ahead and pop open the folder, turn up your monitors and listen so you can learn how to take advantage of these potential opportunities. Just remember, two-bar Charlies can reverse, all right? And you have to be prepared and know how to deal with those too. All right, so the advanced two-bar Charlie course will be coming out shortly as well. Got a lot going on here. All right, let's see here. GBTC up 2 right now. All right, benefiting from that Bitcoin. The news did come out yesterday on BITCF. You see, it's running, ripping and running. I don't think you can buy it right now because of that, because they're putting it on the blockchain or something like that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'll confirm that by doing it live right now while we're doing this broadcast. I'll go in and show you. I think it's for liquidation only. So let's go in here and see and do it in real time so you can see for yourself. We're going to go in here and attempt to buy some, and I think it's going to kick me out and say, no, you can't. It's only for liquidating positions only. All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm going to try to buy it at market. Let's go ahead and put this in. All right. Let's open this up, make this bigger. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get this error message, folks. Y'all ready? Here we go. And there it is. Unable to place the order. See? It won't take it. All right, for those of you who do not believe me, let's go to the messages. Let's go ahead and put this here. All right, clients are unable to place a market order on an opening transaction for this over-the-counter security. See that? And that was a market order. It would not take my market order. All right. Oh, that's just a fluke. Maybe you did something wrong. Okay, well, let's just try it again, shall we? Let's go in here. Let's do it again. This time we're going to do it as a limit order. Right now the market's at 68. All right, I'm going to try to buy it. All right, we're manipulating the order type so that we can get filled immediately on the limit order. And there it is. It will not only see closing only. All right, y'all saw that message? Closing only. It won't let you do it because this is going away and they're putting it on the blockchain. It's crazy. These are the times we're living in, folks. These are the times we're living in. So if you say, hey, I'm missing the bus, I want to catch the bus. Well, let's see here if your cousin BTSC is going to play. Nope, dead in the water. Nothing moving whatsoever. Can't even roll out of the bed. Look at that. That is terrible. The only other option you have, to be honest with you, is GBTC or NVIDIA. Right now, NVIDIA seems to be okay, so that's probably your best bet. And yes, NVIDIA is in play. All right. It is what it is, folks. Like it and lump it. All right. So your Dow's below 22,000, which means nothing. This can be erased. The market can be up 200 points by lunchtime. It depends on how they want to play this and what they want to do. If you're short the Dow futures contract, probably not a bad idea to put your stop to around, let's see what we're going to do on this live joint. And I'm about to be finished with this. Let's say we're going to do using the 2-bar Charlie methodology. We're going to lock this profit in around, I want to say 21,965. Let's do that. All right. So 21,965. That's probably how we're going to roll out today for now. All right. So you come in, you know how to place your orders. 21,965. You're locking in your profit. Now you're playing with the house's money. If the market reverses, who gives a darn? You just made more money today than some people make in a month. Who cares? That's the nature of the beast. All right. If you want to learn how to do what I just did, PulseWaveTrading.com. Come learn how to trade these markets, navigate these markets, make this money. And I will be addressing some other things. People have been blazing me up since last night's video. As far as what's been going on, the fear porn is on. People talking about collapse this, collapse that, blah, blah, blah. You need to go and you need to check out my documentary that I did called There Is No Collapse. I think that'll help you guys sleep a lot better at night. You need to know what time it is. You need to know that there is no collapse, okay? Don't worry about no SDRs. Don't worry about any of that stuff, all right? That's just smoke and mirrors to get you guys all twisted up so that you're unfocused, okay? And as far as enslaving you with the blockchain, come on now. You guys acting like you ain't never heard that before. I told you guys that months ago. As a matter of fact, I told you that last year when I did the documentary. I told you what to expect. All right. This is nothing new. It's not new, people. You should have already been prepared for all of this. I told you what was coming. It's not new. And it's nothing that you need to shake in your boots. All right. We're all being controlled and manipulated now. And your life hasn't changed, has it? Or have you been deprived of anything? No. What it means is when we say control, we don't mean they're going to be herding everybody in the FEMA camps. What I mean is they're going to make it so that that's just how you have to complete certain transactions. Just like right now, you got to go through a bank if you want to really purchase anything of real value. All right, you got to move money around through a banking institution. No different, same thing. You're just going to be employing the blockchain type technology. That's all. You guys don't need to fear. All right. So get your head out of those fear porn hit pieces on YouTube and buckle down and trade these markets and make these coins. All right. That's what you need to do. PulseWaveTrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back and watch the NASDAQ and the Dow bleed. Look at that. Give me my money. Peace. 155 is where we're setting at right now, up 930 seconds. Soybeans at 978, up 475. Looking at the euro is down 10 pips at 117.67. The British pound is up 4 pips at 130.23, and the Aussie is up 15 pips at 78.95. And finally, the US dollar off 2 pips at 93.51. The dollar. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Pre-Market PULSESCAN. Today is Thursday, August the 10th, 2017. The time is 9:25 a.m. It is a late 5 minutes before the opening bell. A lot going on. I've been mad, crazy, busy. All right, working hard to bring you the latest what's. And for all the Black Ops traders and all right, looking at the overnight real quick, the Dow was down almost 70 points at 21,950. We did take out the previous overnight low. Right now it's sitting at 21,940. All right, the Nasdaq is trading at 58.84 a half, down 38 points. S&P down 11 points at 2462. Russell down 6 points at 1391.2. And gold hit 1291.60. Right now we're at 1290.70, up $11.40. Silver finally broke that $17 threshold. All right, we hit an intraday price inflection point. Technically, it's a nighttime price inflection point because that's when it occurred. But we hit $17.24. Right now, we're at $17.21.5. Crude oil busted $50. We're at $50.05. The bond got really powerful in the premium trading room. You got your work cut out for you today. All right, I've been rushing. I'm in the process of adding several new crypto coins for the crypto list. All right, so go ahead and submit your request for the ones you like for me to try to find and get the skinny on, get the data on. But it's on and popping, folks.